Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. A sprint review meeting is a Scrum event that happens at the end of every sprint. Its purpose is to inspect the increment, which means the working product that the Scrum team has completed during the sprint, and then adapt the product backlog based on the feedback and current realities. In simple terms, a sprint review is a collaborative session where the team shows what is actually done, discusses what was learned, and decide what should happen next with the product. We need the sprint review meeting because Scrum is based on learning from real results, not assumptions. The sprint review creates a formal opportunity to get the feedback from stakeholders while the work is still fresh and change is still inexpensive. It helps everyone check whether the product is moving in the right direction, whether priorities still make sense, and whether the new opportunities or risks have appeared. Without this feedback loop, teams may continue working efficiently but end up building wrong thing. Mandatory participants for sprint review meeting are the Scrum team and key stakeholders. The Scrum team includes product owner, developers, and Scrum Master. The product owner explains the sprint goal, discusses the state of product backlog, and listens carefully to feedback. The developers present the completed work and answer questions about how the product behaves and what was learned. The Scrum Master ensures the event takes place, supports productive collaboration, and helps everyone stay focused on inspection and adaptation. In addition, stakeholders invited by the product owner are essential participants because their feedback drives meaningful decisions. Optional participants are people who can add value through feedback or insight but are not required every time. These may include managers, sales representatives, marketing teams, customer supports, operations, security specialists, other product team, or additional customers. The key idea is that anyone attending should help inspect the increment or shape future product decisions, not just observe passively. The primary artifact that serves as input for sprint review meeting is the increment. This is the integrated working product that meets the definition of done. The product backlog is also an important input because it provides visibility into upcoming work and will be updating during or after the discussion. The sprint goal gives context, helping everyone judge whether the sprint achieved what it set out to accomplish. The output of a successful sprint review meeting is not a presentation or a completed meeting. The real output is an updated product backlog that reflects new feedback, changed priorities, and fresh insights. Another key output is the shared understanding among the Scrum team and stakeholders about what value was delivered, what is done, and what should be tackled next. Often there is also clearer alignment on near-term release plans or product directions. The significance of sprint review meeting lies in how it brings Scrum's core ideas to life. It creates transparency by showing real progress, not reports. It enables inspection by allowing stakeholders to experience the actual product. It supports adaptation by turning feedbacks into concrete changes. This even protects product value by keeping decisions grounded in reality instead of guesses. If a Scrum team fails to have a sprint review meeting, they lose a critical feedback loop. Stakeholders may discover problems too late, the product backlog may drift away from real needs, and trust can erode. Over time, the team risks delivering work that is technically complete but does not maximize value, leading to more rework, surprises, and slower learning. Thank you for watching video. I hope it gave you some insights on what is sprint review.